Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Boardwalk View. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Key Plan. Snowy egret fledglings chase their parents around the rookery because they're demanding to be fed. This behavior, referred to as branching in some instances, can be quite aggressive and noisy as the young birds clamor for the food regurgitated by their parents. Snowy egret fledglings chasing their parents is a normal part of the egret and heron's parental care strategy, as it ensures the chicks receive food and develop the necessary skills to fledge and become independent hunters eventually. This aggressive behavior highlights the intense competition for resources among young egrets, especially when food is limited. In this mixed colony, the great egret nestlings also compete for food. Nestling period, 17 to 21 days. This nestling is still dependent on its parents for food and security. A fledgling tricolored heron becomes independent from its parents relatively quickly after it can fly, usually around 35 days after hatching. With stork nestling period, 50 to 55 days. Both parents feed them and are initially guarded by one parent while the other forages. At about 7 to 8 weeks, with stork nestlings begin making short flights, but are still dependent on their parents for food and shelter until about 9 to 10 weeks. They leave the colony at 10 to 12 weeks of age and are independent. snowy egret nestlings competing for food. The white ibises have moved into the tricolored heron's nest. This white ibis flies about the rookery. This is their ibis breeding season as others fledge. Some tricolored herons are beginning to fledge. They are exploring the environment. The only survivor of a brood of 2, Woodstourx waits for its parents to return with food. It is in the middle of snowy egrets, great egrets, and tricolored herons. This fledgling Woodstourx is exploring its environment by flying around the rookery. It must return to its nest for food from its parents. Fledgling Woodstourx are not independent of their parents until they are 9 to 10 weeks old. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Key Plan. Cypress Wetlands Rookery Boardwalk View. Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina.